morning. Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Well, we have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that the winner of the contest for the Fort Worth Fabric Studio, Scrapdoodle04, never responded. Therefore, the good news is we get to do another drawing. So now your chances have increased because it's a second drawing for the Fort Worth Fabric Studio fabric. Let me get the fabric here so I can show you what we're giving away for free. Okay, here we go. That's what we're going to be giving away. That's the kit. And I know a lot of you like to know what my back fabric is, so let me show you my fabric that I'm going to use on the back, which is going to be this right here. Here's what I'm using. Got my number generator here. And I did add one name to a latecomer, but that's fine. Okay, let's see who we got as our winner. Here's our generator. I made sure it worked. And it is number 3. So lucky number 3, which is Michael Gale 007. Alrighty, I'm going to put the email address, KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com, down along the bottom of my screen so you can reach out to me. Please reach out to me this morning if you could. I would like to get this in the mail this afternoon. If you don't reach out, I'll give you an entire day. So by tonight, if you haven't reached out, I'm just going to get on this thing in the morning and do it again. But hopefully, Michael Gale 007, you'll reach out to me and we can get this in the mail for you. Okay? Take care. Thank you very much for watching, and I can't wait for Monday so we can get started on this.